Hey family, I'm back. You know I'm using my phone, so I got a call in. But this is part of part one. This is part two of part one. But family, y'all have to strive each and every day for greatness. And plan out things. You know, plan them out. And when you plan out things, I see that it follows through. You know, make preparations. This is a beautiful day. I don't know if I can eat. I got a turkey sandwich here. Trying my best. Again, this is from Arby's. Please don't let me make a mess. I mean, and this sandwich is made good. When I say good, I mean good. Look at here, family. Y'all see that? Woo-hoo. I got mayo, bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, turkey beef, red onions. Look at that. And I can only eat half of this. I'm gonna have to be in that special place that release your body in a minute. But if y'all have not tried the bacon, turkey, ranch. I forgot there's ranch on there. Sandwich from Arby's. Y'all need to try it. It is good. So getting over, y'all always have to turn on y'all turning signals. Piece of meat, piece of mine. I know today I'm tackling some traffic because they got a festival going on in Chicago. Chicago is a beautiful city. It's just they doing so much in Chicago. Y'all have to drive for yourself and everybody else around. Because these people drive crazy as hell. Smooth sailing. Y'all just feel good today. I'm blessed. I'm blessed by the best. I got me some good night's sleep. And see, I had been working this job that had me working from 6 in the evening to 6 in the morning. And I mean, my body be drained out. Hands be hurting. So that's when I said it got to be something a little bit more easier for me to do. I didn't tell y'all, family, I had a cousin. I never met her. my heart still went out to her. Her daughter, she was 9, 8 or 9, she just collapsed. And she went off, and from what I heard, she went off into like a coma, brain dead. That's why I say no age, no, that's why you do people right. I love people, even when they mean to me, I still love them. I don't have a hatred bone in my heart. And to me, if you want your blessings and your life to be positive and things to go right, you have to have a forgiving heart. And you have to be happy for people when they prosper in life. You can't be jealous. You can't be talking about people. Because that's how I believe that you cut off your blessings. Prosperity is happiness. It's light. And the only way that you can prosper in life is thinking positive. That's why I try my best to surround myself around positive thinking people. Because they positive energy will wear off on me. But if I'm around negative people, who always got problems, who always talking negative, everything in their life is going wrong, that energy rubs off on me. That's why I stress being around positive people. Because positive people, they can help you grow when they prosper. That's why I say be happy for others when they prosper. Because if you're around them, that's going to rub off on you. If you're around them negative people and their life seems not to be going anywhere, just take a look one day and look around your surroundings. And there's no lie. What you be around is what you become. And I am a witness of that. If all you intake day in, day out is negativity, that's what you're going to put out. And you're going to find yourself talking about the stuff that people been feeding into your brain. Because your brain is like a recorder. It records everything. And it can play back. Just think about it. So the more that you intake, or should I say what you intake, it affects your life. Whether it's in a good way or a bad way. Y'all picking up Mama mouthpiece today. So this other half of this turkey sandwich, I'm gonna share with her. Me, I just realized, how important that it is to tell your loved ones that you love them every day. heart just goes out to them families that's in Texas, El Paso, who lost their family members, their kids, their mothers, their fathers, their brothers, their sisters, their aunts, their uncles. You know, it's really sad. You're not safe. You're not safe anywhere. And that's why, like, when I'm driving, somebody cut me off or get nasty with me, I don't get nasty back with them, because I never know what's on that person's mind. You never know what they might have, and it's not worth it. That road rage, you might hear me, I might fuss, but I'll be fussing to myself. I'm not pointing and fussing at those people, because I don't know what's on their mind. I don't know who the next person is. So my life is more important to me. It's just like if the police stop me, and I've had this to happen, they get smart with me or cuss at me, I'll be like, okay, sir. They ask me for my license, registration, and insurance, I hand it to them. Even if they get smart with me, I don't care. I don't say nothing back. Oh boy, y'all, this traffic. Like it's gonna be heavy. It looks that way. Excuse me. Everybody going into Chicago. They got these festivals and stuff going on. I don't know what they blowing for. They ain't like we going nowhere no faster. But family, y'all just enjoy life, enjoy yourselves, and make plans and serve God. You know, make him your first priority every day. And that's something that I have to get in the routine of doing. Put God first. When I wake up in the morning, is praising and thanking him for putting some breath in this body. Because this body could be in the freeze, it could be stiff. Y'all just think about it. This body is just like a chicken. How they take a chicken after the life is gone out and they gut it out. It's nothing but just meat. And I think if a lot of us thought that way, we would serve, and, you know, we'll serve God. We'll make him first priority. You know, we have to live here on this earth, and we have to be functional, and we have to work, and, you know, we have to interact. But at the end of the day, we have to realize that we don't know the time, the day, the hour. It's a mystery of when we gonna leave here. We have no clue. Isn't that something? That's a mystery. We have no clue of when we gonna leave here. When God gonna say it's your time. That is something. And that's amazing. How God created us. He knows when we leaving here. We don't know though. That's why each and every day you plan things out. And these is gapers. This is a state police officer that didn't pull somebody over, and people is looking, trying to figure out and be nosy about what's going on. Now the traffic finna move. Don't y'all hate that? You riding and you thinking it's a bad accident or something that happened, and it's somebody that's in front, they just gaping, just looking, just nosy, just have to know what's going on. And it slows down the traffic. That's crazy. But that's how the human mind works, and you know, those are the things that we do because we human. Like I was saying, we do have to live here on this earth, and we have to, do what we have to do in order to maintain, so we can eat and have a comfortable living. But we also have to remember that we're going to leave here one day, and we have to look at this. We have to serve. We have to serve God, and we have to praise and thank Him each and every day for waking us up. I had to drive careful trying to get over. Oh, now that car is getting over. What the fuck? Y'all excuse my French. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, family. I guess he went ahead on and let me get over. There was somebody that could have been a quick accident y'all would have witnessed. Me and him both getting over at the same time. That's why some people don't put on their turning signals to let you know they finna get over. They just zipping in and out of traffic. And that is what causes accidents when people do that. Because he didn't have on his turning signal, he just getting over. Like he doing right now, he's zipping in and out of traffic. But family, I love y'all, and please like, give some thumbs up, subscribe to the Your Faith channel. Make sure y'all hit that notification button. Let me know what it is, what it do. And y'all know y'all be seeing me in a minute, because Mama Mouthpiece is going to be in the car with me. So that's going to be something. So I love y'all, family. And be blessed and be safe out here today. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Love you.